Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to cover the Digital India Internship, which is offered by National Informatics Center under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So, which is the Government of India organization. So, from this Government of India, are offering the internship under the Digital India Internship program. So those who have minimum 60% of marks, they are eligible for this particular program from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc Electronics, MSc Computer Science, MSc IT, and DOEACC B level. There are three levels are there: A level, B level, C level. And those who completed B level, they are equivalent to MTech here, so they are also eligible for this particular program. So when we come to the guidelines, you can go through guidelines, registration, feedback, track your application, and contact us. When we come to the guidelines here, this is the internship opportunity for the students secure first-hand and practical work experience under the guidance of qualified and experienced supervisor or mentor. So, an active participation in the learning process through experimentation and putting into the practice the knowledge acquired in the classroom. So, for this, we can have this internship here. So, you can go through all these things. When we come to the eligibility criteria, the Indian students from recognized universities in India who have secured at least 60% marks in the last held degree or the certificate exam. And now those who are pursuing BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc Electronics, MSc Computer Science, MSc IT, and DOEACC B level shall be eligible. Those who are in third year of UG, they are eligible for this particular program. So those who are final year, they are not eligible now. So in the case of eligibility, BE BTech, those who are in third year, and BE BTech lateral entry also third year students, ME MTech, MSc Computer Science, and MSc IT first year students, MCA second year students who are doing dual degree courses. If they are in fourth year, they are eligible, and diploma, graduation, A level also eligible. So when we come to the duration of duration of the internship will be 2 months, and but that may be extendable up to 3 months depending on the performance of the candidate. The internship duration may be extended from 2 to 3 months, and the internship will start from 2nd June 2025. And these are the areas here: blockchain technology, cloud computing, AI, ML, microservices, data analytics, Angular, React.js, as well as PHP programming, DevOps, chatbot, IoT, cybersecurity, quantum computing, and cryptography, mobile app development, open APIs, UI and UX, user interface, as well as user experience, networking, .NET programming, Java programming. So in these areas, they are going to offer the internship. When we come to the place where this internship is going to be conducted, in general, the internship is offered at NIC headquarters, which is located in New Delhi. And apart from that, every state is having NIC center. So in that center, you are going to have the internship. How to apply? So this is completely online process only. We need to apply in online only. Then student, we need to get the recommendation letter from head of the institute or the HOD, and that should be in letterhead, official letterhead. We need to take the recommendation letter, and we need to upload all the certificates up to the last semester. Those who are in third year of UG, they need to upload all the certificates up to the previous semester. In between 100 to 250 words, we need to write up about ourselves. That is statement of purpose. That is, what is the purpose of doing this internship? We need to write a write-up for this particular internship. And we need to have select minimum 2 choices of interest. As we said, there are multiple areas are there. Among that areas, we need to select a maximum of 2 choices of interest. So based on the availability, we may be allocated for any one of the choice we selected. We need to submit a self-declaration because some students are having in percentage, some students are having in CGPA, and we need to submit that whatever the CGPA or whatever the percentage we are specifying, which is equivalent to other. That is, if we are submitting in CGPA, we need to give a self-declaration. By this conversion formula, our university awarded me with this CGPA, which is equivalent to this percentage. Like, we need to give self-attestation or self-declaration. In which domain we given the preference, based on the domain, that particular group or that particular division is going to shortlist us. And for the selection process, there is no TADA will be provided here, providing that we need to provide, we should not provide any false declaration during the application process. And this is the code of conduct we can have. And when we come to the placement, once you selected, for each and every candidate, they are going to allocate one supervisor or the mentor from NIC head office or the NIC's regional centers. And we need to submit the report at the end of the internship. Then for this, after completion of that internship, we are going to get the certificate. Then they are going to provide a stipend of 10,000 per month based on the performance, and based on the completion of your internship, they are going to pay 10,000 per month as a stipend here. And they are going to provide the certification. These are the various rules. Then they also provide the guidelines here. When we open the official web page here, we need to click on the registration for internship. So when we click on the registration for internship, we need to select the degree. For example, I'm selecting BEBT, then stream, computer science I'm selecting, eligibility criteria, third year of current pursuing degree, S, then we need to enter name, mobile number, then send OTP to verify the email. So once it was done, we need to proceed for the application process. The internship duration is 2nd June to 31st July based on either that may be 2 months or it may be extended for one more month here. And the registrations are open on 16th April, will be closed till 30th April 2025. So complete this. After completion of the registration, after successful registration, we need to log in to fill the application. So that's all for now. If you have any queries, simply comment on me so that I'll try to reply. Thank you. All the best.